Hey guys, you can use Waze without internet by pre-planning your route while connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Okay, so I'm gonna head where to? Let's say I'm going to McDonald's, right? I'm gonna prepare the location and all that stuff, and I'm gonna go now, and I can go into the destination, right? I can go from place A to place B. Okay, and as you can see right here, we started the navigation. And what you're gonna do, let me just close the sound. I'm gonna just head to the restaurant, even if my Wi-Fi is down. Okay, once you start navigation and the route is loaded, you can turn off your mobile data, and Waze will use cached map data to provide basic turn-by-turn directions. But you'll lose live traffic and rerouting features, hazards, police alerts, and all that stuff. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.